How to find project file of CapCut in Windows 11. So after you open up your CapCut, for this video I want to see the project location of this project brand style. So now I'll minimize the CapCut and go and open up your drive. So after you open up your drive like this, so scroll to down and go to users and go to the user that you are currently signed in, and then tap on this three dot in your Windows 11 and go to options. So go to view and go to show hidden files and tap on OK. So now go to app data and then go to local. So here you go and open up a CapCut. So now go to user data. So from this user data, scroll to down and find a folder which says project. Here is it. After you open the project, so here tap on this folder that ends with .drap. So after you open the folder that ends with .drap, from there you'll be able to see all your project that you are currently working in. So now here is the project brand style. Now you can copy the project. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.